With a few genius ideas and thoughtful touches, a small garden can turn into the most charming corner of your home, full of life, color, and peaceful moments.
Many people think a small backyard cannot look impressive, but the truth is the opposite. When space is limited, creativity shines even brighter, and every detail becomes more meaningful. Today, you'll discover genius small garden ideas that can completely transform your backyard, making it feel bigger, more vibrant, and incredibly inviting.
Get ready to imagine your outdoor space in a whole new way. From clever vertical gardens to cozy relaxation spots, these ideas are designed to inspire you and prove that even the tiniest backyard can become a stunning personal paradise. Creating vertical gardens to multiply your green space. Use wall-mounted planters, vertical racks, or wooden trellises to grow plants upward instead of outward. This clever technique instantly frees up floor space while turning empty walls into a vibrant living canvas full of greenery. Choose climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or flowering vines to create a lush natural curtain along fences or walls. As they grow and spread, they add depth and texture that makes your small garden feel much larger. Mix hanging baskets with stacked planters to create layers of plants at different heights. This layered effect draws the eye upward and gives your backyard a rich garden designer look that feels both dynamic and magical. Designing a cozy relaxation corner. Transform one corner of your backyard into a peaceful retreat where you can unwind after a long day. A small bench, foldable chairs, or a compact outdoor sofa can instantly create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Add soft cushions, outdoor rugs, and warm-toned fabrics to make the space feel like an extension of your living room. These small details create comfort while making the garden feel more intimate and inviting. Place a small side table for drinks, books, or candles to complete the experience. Suddenly, your tiny backyard becomes a personal escape where morning coffee or evening relaxation feels truly special.
Using lighting to create a magical night garden. Lighting can completely transform how a small garden feels after sunset. String lights draped across fences or pergolas create a warm glow that instantly adds charm and romance to the space. Solar lanterns placed along pathways or near plants highlight the natural beauty of your garden while creating soft layers of light. This subtle illumination makes the garden feel deeper and more atmospheric. Add a few warm LED spotlights to showcase your favorite plants or decorative features. The gentle shadows and glowing foliage create a magical nighttime environment that feels straight out of a dream. Adding raised garden beds for structure and style. Raised garden beds are a brilliant way to organize plants while giving your small backyard a clean and structured look. Wooden or stone frames naturally separate different plant areas without overwhelming the space. Plant a mix of herbs, flowers, and compact vegetables in side beds to create a productive and beautiful garden. The organized layout makes everything easier to maintain while keeping the space visually appealing. Different bed heights can add depth and dimension to your garden design. This simple trick makes your backyard feel more dynamic and professionally landscaped. Incorporating decorative pathways. A charming garden pathway can guide the eye and create the illusion of a larger space. Even a small stepping stone trail winding through plants can make the garden feel like an adventure waiting to be explored. Use natural materials such as gravel, wooden planks, or irregular stones to create a relaxed and organic look. These textures blend beautifully with greenery and enhance the natural atmosphere of the space. Allow plants to gently grow around the edges of the path to soften the design. This small detail makes the garden feel more lush, immersive, and alive.
creating a mini garden feature that steals attention. Every beautiful garden needs a focal point that captures attention the moment someone steps outside. A small fountain, sculptural planter, or artistic bird bath can instantly become the heart of your backyard. The gentle sound of flowing water from a compact fountain adds tranquility and movement to the space. It also attracts birds, bringing even more life and energy to your garden. Surround the feature with colorful flowers or textured plants to highlight its presence. This creates a visual centerpiece that makes your small garden feel thoughtfully designed and incredibly captivating. Before you go, remember this. A small backyard is not a limitation, it's an opportunity to create something truly special. With a few creative ideas, thoughtful details, and the right design choices, even the tiniest garden can become a peaceful escape filled with beauty, color, and life. The secret is not having more space, it's using the space you have in smarter and more creative ways. And as you've seen today, a few simple changes can completely transform the feeling of your outdoor space. But here's the exciting part. If you think these ideas were clever, wait until you see what we're about to show you next. In the next video, you'll discover smart small garden ideas to maximize limited backyard space on a budget. Brilliant tricks that designers use to make tiny gardens look bigger, more stylish, and incredibly functional without spending a fortune. Some of these ideas are surprisingly simple, but they can completely change how your backyard looks and feels. So don't miss it. Click the video on your screen right now and get ready to unlock even more genius garden transformations.